This is my civic activist speech on the Nature Conservancy on Rainforest. Okay. The Nature Conservancy is an organization working around the world to protect ecologically important lands and waters for the nature and people. Their main motto and beliefs preach the protection of nature and the ability to preserve life. The mission, the mission of this activist organization is to preserve plants, animals, and natural communities that represent the diversity of life on Earth by protecting the lands and waters that they need to survive on. Founded in 1951, the Natural Conservancy is considered one of the most well known trusted charity foundations worldwide. They currently are established in more than 30 countries, including the entire United States, and still growing to date. They protect habitats from grasslands to coral reefs and range from Australia to Alaska. They touch all aspects of the world and address threats involving climate change, fires, fresh waters, forests, endangered species, and marine ecosystems. Currently ran by Mark Trekiak, President and CEO since 2008, the Nature Conservancy has over 1 billion members working for them and has successfully protected more than 119 million acres of land and 50,000 miles of rivers worldwide. They use a non confrontational approach with the practical solutions to overcome their challenges as they work hand in hand with indigenous communities, businesses, governments, and non profitable institutes. But instead of talking about the entire world and their involvement, I want to focus more on the rainforests of the world and how the Nature Conservancy is helping save thousands of acres each year. Rainforests are can be found all across the world from Alaska to Canada to Latin America, Asia, and Africa. They can be found in every continent except for Antarctica. There are two main types of forest. There's a temperate and tropical. Tropical is one within a hotter, humid climate near the equator, and the temperate is a forest located near a cooler climate in the northern hemisphere. Some major rainforests include the date tree, the Isa gypsland, Legaton plateau, and of course the Amazon, which is the largest of the group. At this point, you're probably wondering, how does this affect me? I don't live into the rainforest, and how it's not going to destroy my life. So who gives a shit? Well, that's what I originally thought, until I actually realized how important the rainforest can actually be for the entire world and us. First off, we must acknowledge what's in the rainforest for us to appreciate it truly. Here are some pretty crazy facts about a rainforest. Almost half of the world's estimated 10 billion almost half of the world's estimated 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects live within the rainforest. A single rainforest reserve in Peru is home to more species of birds than found in the entire United States. The number of species of fish in the Amazon is greater than the number of found in the Atlantic Ocean. 80% of what we eat in the world is originated from the tropical rainforest, such as grapefruit, banana, pine cone, mangoes, chocolate, so much. One fifth of the world's fresh water is found in the Amazon bison. Also, like I mentioned before, the Amazon is one of the biggest forests worldwide, which covers 1 billion acres within Africa. Due to this massive size, it can be described as the lungs of the planet, as it continuously recycles carbon dioxide into oxygen for us. 20% of the world's oxygen is created from this lone area, which is pretty phenomenal. Well, as you can see, many aspects of the rainforest astonishing, unlike any other places on this planet. But the funny thing is that I haven't even mentioned how the rainforest can contribute to medicine to the world and cure cancer within these locations. Currently, there are 121 prescribed drugs that are sold worldwide that come from plant sources. 25% of those are directly from rainforest ingredients. The alarming stat here is that the scientists have only tested less than 1% of these tropical trees and plants. On that note, this is just crazy. 1%. Imagine we had the remaining 99%. A cure for cancer could definitely be found in these locations. Not to mention a cure for AIDS and harmful diseases. Just think, the cure for cancer could be nothing more than a normal cold. That would be amazing. Overall, the U.S. Nation Cancer Institute has identified 3,000 plants that are active against cancer cells, and 70 of these plants are found within, yes, the rainforest. So if the rainforest means so much to us all, why the hell is it in danger? Well, For some reason, the depletion of the rainforest involves mining, logging, fire, ranching, oil, gas, and exploration, and so much more. Due to the value of its timber, multinational logging companies and landowners are reaping in the rewards as they cut down these thousands of trees acres by acres. Rainforests used to cover 16% of the world's plant uh, surface. uh, Due to the Natural Conservancy, they say that it only remains 2%. Okay, and experts have estimated that less than 40 years, the remaining forest will be eliminated, which sucks. All right, these are some. The same experts have estimated that we are losing 50,000 species a year, which is crazy. Also, for every second, we're losing 1.5 of a acre in the rainforest. That is equals to an entire football field. Yeah. Thankfully, the people in the Nature Conservancy has realized the major issue and have created a foundation and plan and save the rainforest as humanly possible. Excuse me, let me say that again. Thankfully, the people within the Conservancy have realized that this major issue is an issue, of course, and have created a foundation and plan to save as much rainforest as humanly possible. Their ambition is to purchase this land before and after it all falls into the wrong hands. This is ultimately made possible with the help of fellow companies, sponsorship, and donations. For example, a man named Francisco Soils, a Chilean lawyer, helped in cooperation with Nature Conservancy with partnership, and they purchased 147,500 acres of rainforest within his nation of Chile, which is unbelievable. Another one of specific program is called the Adopted Acre Program, which a certain individual has the opportunity to purchase and save a piece of rainforest within monthly donations. According to their website, the Nature Conservancy is currently working on its partnership to protect tropical and temperate rainforests in 23 countries throughout North America, Central America, Caribbean, and Asian Pacific. So, when I first thought of this, I'm just like, okay, this is great. They're doing a lot for it, but in reality, I'm not gonna donate because I'm a lazy person and I have no drive to do so. Plus, I have no money. So, why bother listening to it? Well, they thought of this. The Nature Conservancy had thought about this and thought of a really good plan that could get everybody to do this. Anybody who has a computer and internet could do this and donate to rainforest for free. That's right, for free. This is how it works. It's as simple as clicking a button. The Nature Conservancy is in collaboration with an online donation website called Care2 that generates money for their sponsors. Their advertisers sponsor the site and make donations to the Nature Conservancy possible. Every day that you click on that protective forest button, we are generating a true cash donation made possibly by such advertisers like Spectrum, Good Clean Love, and Pet Care. Care2 pools all of these daily donations and deliver these funds to the Natural Conservatory on a regular basis. Well, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you guys all in class, but right now I can't really do that. So, I'm just going to move on with my speech. So for each one we click this button, we save 7.4 square feet of the rainforest. I know it's not a lot, it's just about that big, but we're doing this as we're sitting in class listening to speeches, okay? This is phenomenal. So if everybody did this, there's 29 of us, including you, Riley, all right? If everybody did this, we would save 214.6 squares feet of rainforest, all right? This is if everybody did this today. On a larger scale, say we did this for 365 days, the entire year, this entire class can save 78,329 square feet of rainforest, or almost 2 acres. That's including saving 3,000 species of living animals, insects, and medicated plants. And remember, all this stuff is for free, all right? Overall, I hope you guys understand where I'm coming from and why this is important to save the rainforest. Not only are they important to the environment, but also it can benefit the human civilization greatly in the future. Also, the Nature Conservancy and Care2 have developed a way for us to remain archer activists, what I'm pretty much doing right now, but at the same time actually make a difference in the world, which is really hard to do. So save the website I gave you guys today, and pretty much when you go on Facebook and you go on YouTube, why not go to this site and just click that button, all right? Just stop by the site for a second, and over time it could make a world of a difference, okay? That's all I want to say.